Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadli Harisandi. My ID is 012021090253 and my program is BCM. So today I'm gonna present my final project for writing for multimedia, and my project is sorry, and my project is a website for public transportation awareness, SDG 11. So the first one is the background of the project. This project is about the use of public transportation. Public transportation is one of the topic that is related to the SDGs, specifically SDG 11, namely sustainable city and communities, specifically on sustainable transport. SDG 11 focus on developing modern cities. Public transportation system include a variety of transit options such as bus, light rail, and subway. These systems are available to the general public, may require a fare, and run at scheduled time. The purpose of introducing or expanding public transportation is to increase access to and use of public transit, while at the same time reducing motor vehicle miles driven and traffic congestion. With the population constantly increasing, cities must start thinking about intelligent urban planning that create safe, affordable, and resilient cities with the green and culturally inspiring living condition. The next is objective of the project. This project has several objectives that are expected to be met when the project is complete. The first one is to identify problems that cause low public interest in using public transportation. The second is to increase the use of public transportation. And the last is to find a solution to get people to use public transportation. And next is target audience. The target audience for this project is everyone, male or female, over the age of 15. This choice was taken because all genders use public transportation, and usually people start using public transportation themselves when they are 15 years old. For the scope of the project, this project will contain the importance of using public transportation. In addition, this project is also an invitation to use public transportation and also an explanation of the benefit if many people of using public transportation. This project will also include solution to increase the use of public transportation. The next, I'm going to go to the report. For the introduction, this project is about the use of public transportation. Public transportation is one of the topics that is related to the SDGs, specifically SDG 11, namely sustainable cities and communities. SDG 11 focus on developing modern city. And the next is content flow. For the content flow, you can see here, the first is about SDG 11, sustainable city and community. And under it, I have public transportation. And inside, I have the what is public transportation and public transportation in Malaysia for the explanation. The next is cause and issue. In here, I have 3 causes and 2 issues. And the next is impact for the country. I have 3 impact. Same for the solution. I have 3 solution. And then about, this one is including the website purposes. And the last is contact and credit. The next is website interface screenshot. This is the first page, which is a public transportation. Multimedia element used is text, used for giving explanation about the page, and then picture used for add details, and then video used for giving explanation about the page. Video is my video from the assignment 2. And for the navigation style, I'm using drop-down menu. Actually, almost the same like before. This page is the second page, also using text and picture. Also for the rest of the page, I think it's kind of same for the multimedia element that I'm using here. As you can see here, this is the page that I created on my website. For the navigation style, I have something, I have like 4 at least. Drop down menu, menu button like next, back, and home, and then hyperlink text and images. And then I think I'm gonna go to the website for the details. So this is the website. So the first page, as you can see here, if we scroll down, we got the explanation about SDG 11, and then the video here, if we play, video will play. And then the next is explanation, what is public transportation in general. I'm using a drop-down button here, and text and graphic or picture. The next is public transportation in Malaysia. I'm using some kind like icon here to present the type of public transportation that exists in Malaysia. We have LRT, MRT, bus, KL monorail, and KTM. The next is cause and issue. For cause and issue, I'm using here hyperlink text. So if we click the read more, we are directed to the cause number 1, which is sidewalk. Sidewalk is, I think, the one of the cause that very low of use transportation, public transportation. And if we next, the second cause, which is feeder. Feeder is also considered as the cause for the low of using public transportation. Here, if you can next again, we have payment method. After that, we can go back to the menu, back here to the issue, same as cause. I'm using hyperlink text. This is the issue that happened because the low of usage of public transportation. The first one is pollution, high pollution. And if we click next, it is directed to the next issue, which is traffic jam. And then we go back again to the menu. After that, we go to the next topic, which is the impact for country. For impact for country, I'm using hyperlink text and image. So user can click the text here or the image. It's the same. Here. And then they can go back to the home. Here, same as before. And then the last one is modern city transformation. So this all 3 is the impact of the public transportation. And the next is solution. I have 3 solution also. I'm using the same template for this, for impact and solution. So basically the system, the navigation style is the same. The first one is fix the sidewalk, because this is very crucial for public transportation, sidewalk as a connector. And then the second is multiply feeder. If we have a lot of more feeder, so I think people will use more public transportation because they think it's they can rely to it. And then the last is add more payment method. So for now, we have cash and e-money, which is touch and go. I think if we can add more, like the payment using our own smartphone, like QR code or NFC, it will be great. And the last is about is for the what is this website about? This one. And then the next is contact. Contact is for if the user see this website and they have more question, they can scroll down to the related website and they can do more research on there. This is some of the website. If we click, it will open the new window and open the website like that. And last is credit. Credit is about me. My name is Fadli Arisandi, bachelor in creative multimedia, and my date of birth is January 26, 2001. A bit about me. I'm an international student from Indonesia, taking a double degree program with a major in creative multimedia, which involves two cooperative university, Jakarta State Polytechnic and Management and Science University. I have an interest in making UI UX design, creating interactive multimedia application, and designing a website. In the next 5 or 10 years, I will be successful designer and entrepreneur. And here you can get my social media account. I have a Facebook like this, Twitter, Instagram, and my WhatsApp personal contact. So I think that's all for the website, and the last part is the reflection. From this project, I learned how important public transportation is for a city or region. Public transportation, if its potential can be maximized, it can solve some of the problems that exist in the city. Unfortunately, until now, there are still many public transportation that are underutilized because the available facility are also inadequate. Meanwhile, from this subject, I learned a lot about many writing format, starting from how to write script to writing research report. This subject also taught me how to work in a team when it comes to completing a project together. In addition, additional things such as the knowledge in using feature in PowerPoint, editing videos, and creating website, even though they are still using template or are bonus from this subject. The difficulty I faced while working on this project was the time constraint. Because this subject is in a short semester, the time available is very limited to complete this project. If more time is available, I believe I can complete the project even better. So the last is my reference. This is some of the reference that I used to create this research and my website. So I think that's all for me, from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.